As I promised you in my last video, today I'm gonna show you how you can hack or how you can easily find username and password from the Wireshark. If you don't know how to install Wireshark, I will also show you today in this video how you can install the Wireshark. After that, how you can find the username password easily with the FTP, HTTP, and telnet and other so on. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Without wasting your time, today let's dive into the video. So this is the Metasploit table. This is my cal. If you go to wireshark.org, this will display. If you want to know more about this one, you can just go to wiki. Once you click here, you will see a lot of the tutorial. If you want to learn more, you can go ahead and search from here, from title. You can also do a lot of stuff on this one. If you are a network administrator, if you are a pen tester, you can do a lot of troubleshooting, a lot of things on this one. So how you can download them? If you click here, it will redirect you to download the Wireshark. If you want to download for the Windows, this is so cool. This is really for the Windows installer. This is for the portable. You don't have to install it, the Mac and so on. I'm gonna show you for the terminal. So before that, what is Wireshark? Wireshark is open source network protocol analyst software program, widely considered industrial standard. It is also a lot of like governments, agency, corporation, non-profit organizations, a lot of organizations they are using right now. How it works, I will also show you that. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. There are a ton of video if you want to really grow your career in networking, pen testing, and hacking. This channel will be helpful for you, so don't forget to press subscribe button. Don't forget to share, like, and that will be really helpful for me. Once you open the terminal, you have to, let me make it a little bit bigger for you so you can see it. So you really don't have to install, but it's some reason if there isn't, you can easily install by typing sudo apt get install Wireshark. So once you hit enter, it will install it, but I had already installed it for you, so it may not install. Let's type the password for there. Alright, once we install it, you can also open from the terminal, or you can also Wireshark. So you can click on here and you can open from there. Also you can use sudo Wireshark. So hit enter and it will open the Wireshark. So which one is our network adapter? So that first thing we need to know which adapter we are using on the terminal. And if you do ifconfig, so let me make a bigger figure and hit enter, it will show you the adapter for which adapter Cal using. So H0 we will capture our packet on H0. So let's exit this one and close this, and we will go here, double click on it. So as soon as we click on it, let's minimize this. This is the features for the Wireshark. So Wireshark is the really cool, and you can, there's nothing right now. As long as we go here and start pulling the information, you will see a lot of stuff right here. So with that being said, as I told you here, I have Metasploit, which is the Metasploit IP is 192.168.35.141. What I'm gonna do here is, let me stop here, let me stop it and open it again. So here's the thing I want to show you, because this is, we really don't want it. You can also go to from view and you can just remove this, the package bytes. We don't need that really. So also you don't, if you don't want to use color, so here's the color. So you can just remove the color. Personally I like the color, so you can just click on here. And also you can expand this. You can also go to the end of the capture automatic, so it will, you don't have to scroll down and up and down, so it will automatically go while the capture the package. All right, so there are a lot of things. If you want to really deep dive into the Wireshark, you can go to Wireshark wiki things. You can just click here, and as I told you, like the wiki things, once you click on wiki, you can literally search from here and then find a lot of things, as I told you. Also, while we're doing this, I want to show you one thing. Let me do one thing. I'm gonna telnet on this box. Now I'm gonna show you how you can capture the password and username from the Kali. So I have the box right here, as I told you, Metasploit. What I'm gonna do here is open the terminal, do telnet. So telnet, so this is the IP as I showed you earlier. So the IP is 192.168.35.141, and once you hit enter, so let's start the capturing the file here, and once you hit enter, it will ask you to the login page. So this login page, if you see right here, there are a lot of things running in the background. If you do this, do msf admin, all right, and password is also msf admin. And if you are here, yeah, we are already in the box. So this is the IP, right? What we have to do here is, this is the code, right? So this is really cool. Let's run in the background and stop this, because we already captured the file. We don't have to. We will see here is telnet. Okay, so once we do telnet here, so you only see the data with the telnet protocol on the protocol tab, right? So this is source, this is the destination, and this is the protocol, and this is the length, and this is the info about the. In this section, if you also want to do here is, you can configure right here, and then you can do the columns. You can add more columns here. So if you really want to, you can add here title, and you can start from there, but I'm not gonna do here. So with that, how we can see the password then? The password is really cool. Now here, if we go a little bit down, telnet data, once you see right here with the highest length, so you will see the telnet. So right here, the telnet data right here. And what we're gonna do right now is, because this is the Metasploit login, so if you right click it and flow TCP stream, once you do here, and then you will see the different one, and this is a TCP stream. You can easily find the Metasploit login and Metasploit password for this one. So that's what we did is IP config right here and Ethernet 0, so it will see everything. So that's why telnet is really dangerous for the, so that is not really secure and encrypted. So now we know username and password. What we can do here now is, let's try to do FTP, right? So how we can capture that FTP, let's go. Close this. Now I'm gonna show you how you can hack the FTP username and password from the Wireshark. All right, so let's do one thing. I enable FTP on my Kali itself, so I will also put the command for or FTP if you want it. So after that, you can install FTP to another machine and you can actually hack from there. With that, I'm gonna show you how you can log in with the FTP. For that, I will start capturing. ftp. Let's do the Kali because I install ftp on my Kali Linux. I will use the Kali machine IP and 35.138. Once we hit enter, it will prompt you the password login. Okay, so my password is, my username is KALI, and I'll also use the same password, KALI. Hit enter, and if you see right here, it is capturing. And what I'm gonna do here, I will exit from here, and also I will stop because I don't want to capture the files. So you can do ftp from here. So once you do ftp, there are a lot of response from here, and you can see the different protocol combination, port, destination, all those fun stuff. Everything, whatever I type here, you'll see everything flow by the time. And there's also one more cool features I'm going to show you here is if you do ftp.request and arz is the only filter by the connection and the successful request. Once you hit enter, and you will see the ftp connection, and you will see right here there will be username and password. So once you come here, you'll see the user file transfer protocol, which is ftp, and you will see the user, and the argument is Kali. So, and then also with the same thing, you'll see, say, the pass, and the argument is Kali. Also, what you can do, you can flow the stream, and you can see whatever the password and username has been typed, everything's whatever we type here, you'll see it. So now, without said, now I'm gonna show you in the HTTP. So for the HTTP, I have my Metasploit here, and in my Metasploit, I already started the web server, so you don't have to do anything. Now what I am gonna do here, I access this 192.168.35.141 DVW is the damn vulnerability. So with that being said, I will use this start capturing here and continue with the saving. After that, we will start typing here admin, and this is the password PASSWORD, and once we hit login, and we will see the capture file. So you can remove this, and once we remove that, we will see the connection here. We are logged in here now. From that, we will see we will filter HTTP, and we will see the connection which was already, like the protocols is HTTP, and this is the source, this is the protocol, and so on. What is the cool thing is here, what you can do once we do HTTP, what also we can go narrow down and see the exact actual actions, whatever the request, and the connection is successful. With that, I will type the request method, and you can do dash get. Get is like the connection request. If you don't know about that, the request is about the connection. So get do the, if you want to filter packets captured by the Wireshark with the HTTP request, right? The method will be the get, or either should be post or head or options, put, delete, whatever it is. So for now, I will do the get, and once we do get, you will see the cool things on it. See right here, this is the connection. Actually, index.php is requested with the following things. Now this is, you can see, okay, this is the connection getting, right? Now what we can see right here is you can see the lot of things right here. This is the acknowledgement and timestamp, acknowledge analyst, so on right here. So the Firefox, whatever it is. Now I will say the post. Once we do the post, the only we can see here is the password and the username, what we type in this one, right? Let's do that. Let's see it. Now the cool thing right here is about this. So right here, so HTML form URL encoded, and this is the admin and password that what we type here. Also, you can do, if you don't really want to do that, you can flow the TCP string, HTTP. So that's exactly whatever we put forward here, we will see the connection and HTTPS request. And if you see right here, admin and the password is this. Without being said, there are a lot of things on the Wireshark. If you want to new video, please subscribe my channel, like, share. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.